Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss a minor UI glitch on my WordPress website. So what you're seeing is my own site. Everything looks fine. So if I click on services, it loads fine, no issues. Same as blog, contact us, and also this little premium template sites. So, however, let's have a look at the about page. So it started showing this about title, which is the site title at the top. So it sort of breaks the layout and started showing here recently. So I was wondering what's happening, why is it there? And it turned out that this is a simple fix if you know how to fix it. But I'm not sure why it started showing recently. But I do know how to fix it. So you see here, this is the title, and then there's a little eye icon here. So which means the title is enabled at the moment. So if I click on it, so the title is now disabled. So the page title is now disabled. So I click on save, and then wait for the save process to finish. Right, all done. Let's go and refresh. Oh, see, the page is still showing broken, so the title is still there. It's because I'm using Cloudflare and it's cached. So let me quickly purge the caching. Let's come back and refresh. So it's now fixed. Hopefully this is a simple, useful tip if you ever come across this kind of issue. And that's all I wanted to share today. And thanks for watching.